First, I'm starting with a white nail and adding a layer of matte top coat. Now I'm using 2 shades of eyeshadow to create a soft gradient base. You can totally play with your favorite colors here. Let me know in the comments if you love using makeup for nail arts too. Let's lock in that eyeshadow base with a thin layer of top coat. This keeps everything in place before we move on. Now I'm rubbing on some chrome powder using a silicone tool. Look at that glow, so magical. Another layer of top coat to seal in that chrome shine. Using a milky top coat, I'm drawing the shape of a butterfly wing. Keep it light and soft. Now I'm outlining the wing and adding tiny details with white gel and a liner brush. This gives it that dreamy look. Time for our final top coat, but don't cure this yet. While the top coat is still wet, I'm dabbing some glitter just on part of the nail for that extra shimmer. Then cure and we're done. Love that final touch. Hit like and subscribe for more dreamy nail designs. Starting with a black nail, I'm applying a matte top coat for a nice smooth base. Now I'm placing a dot of glue or top coat in the center and setting a rhinestone right on top. I use a pencil to draw some faint guidelines, but this step is totally optional. With a dotting tool and white gel, I'm adding super small dots all around the rhinestone to frame it. Now I'm adding a slightly bigger white dots along the guidelines using the same white gel. I'm coloring over the white dots with vibrant gel colors. Starting with white makes the shades pop more. Let me know which colors would you use for this design. Now just a few metallic silver dots to add that final sparkle. And finally, sealing everything in with a glossy top coat and we're done. Starting with a pearly white base, I'm applying a matte top coat to give us a soft, dreamy surface. Using red cat eye gel, I'm drawing one petal at a time. Before curing, I shape the glow with a magnet, then cure it and move to the next. Now I'm using metallic gold gel to outline each petal and add some shiny details. It instantly adds a luxurious touch. Just in the center, I'm adding a dot of top coat, placing some 3D gold decorations and curing. This makes the flower pop. Now I'm adding green magnetic gel leaves the same way, one by one, shaping the shine with a magnet and curing each. Using the same gold gel, I'm outlining the leaves and adding little gold touch around the flower to bring the whole look together. And lastly, I'm applying top coat just on the flower and leaves to keep that purpose matte. Done. Look at this glow. If you love this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. First up, I'm brushing to pigment powders over a white nail base. Pick any colors you love, make it your own. Which pigment combo would you try? Tell me in the comments. Now I'm applying a top coat to seal in the pigment and give it a smooth glossy finish. With black gel, I'm drawing abstract teardrop shapes. You can totally get creative here, any shapes you like. Now I'm filling in the spaces between the shapes using black gel. This makes the pigment show through only in the teardrops. Love this contrast. I'm applying glitter top coat just on the black areas to add a pop of sparkle without hiding the pigment. Using metallic gold gel, I'm adding two thin lines across the design. This gives it a luxe finish. Final step, a layer of top coat over everything and we're done. Super edgy and shiny. First, I'm drawing a crescent moon with a liner brush. Then softly blending the inner edge to make it dreamy and natural looking. Now I'm painting a delicate floral branch with a small colorful flowers, just enough to give it that sweet, whimsical vibe. With the dotting tool, I'm adding stars and little dots around the moon to fill the space and make it more magical. Finishing with a glossy top coat to lock everything in to have a beautiful shine and we're done. Do you like this dreamy look? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more nail art magic. First, I'm using a sponge tip to dab to soft spots of paint gel in different colors, just like this. I'm doing it twice for a stronger blend. Now I'm applying a matte top coat to smooth everything out and give us a soft base for line art. With a liner brush and black gel, I'm drawing a simple silhouette, bust, waist and hips. No face, just clean curves. Do you love minimal nail art? Hit the like button if you do. Now I'm drawing a red heart with cat eye gel right on the left side of the chest, using a magnet to give it that glow. Finally, sealing just the heart with glossy top coat to make it pop and down. Simple and powerful. If this design touched your heart, like and subscribe for more emotional nail art.